Good morning, student. Chapter 1, answer question. Question number 3rd, short answer question. I give you some hints. How can you reply such kind of questions? Answer. In which two ways are resources classified based on ability? With explain with example. आप संसाधनों को जो उपलब्ध हैं उनको दो तरीकों से कैसे वर्गीकृत कर सकते हैं, उदाहरण के साथ इसको बताएं. I can classify such kind of resources according to ability. We can divide two ways. First, renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources after using sometimes such kind of resources can be regenerate and you can reuse such kind of thing. Such biotic resources are one of them, such kind of categories, and air, water, wind and solar energy are good example for these resources. But nowadays such kind of resources are going to deplete and going to polluted, so it is our duty to conserve such kind of resources wisely. Second, non-renewable resources. Such kind of resources are non-renewable. After using such kind of resources, utility is destroyed. We cannot regenerate such kind of resources, but such kind of resources are regenerate after million years, like coal and petroleum. Other resources, metallic resources like copper, tin, iron, gold, silver, we can reuse, recycle, then you can use. But non-renewable resources are those resources cannot be regenerated after using utilization. Such kind of resources is very important for us. Next, state 3 differentiate between potential developed and developed resources. Potential and developed resources. Potential means sambhavna and developed viksit. In other ways, actual resources is known as developed resources. We can give answer according to my hints. First, there are many differences between potential and developed resources, but we can give answer according to question. First, in potential resources are found in large area, but there is no any knowledge about quantity. Second, it needs proper technology. Third, all resources are not accessibility. We cannot reach easily at that resources, near at that resources, but developed resources are found in a particular area. We can reach very easily and we can use according to our present technology. Third, how do you classify resources based on distribution? Explain with example. According to distribution, we can divide such kind of resources local and ubiquitous. Local and local स्थानीय, ubiquitous माने व्यापक. Local resources are found in our locality like land, soil, coal, petroleum, and ubiquitous resources are found in all over the world like wind, water, sun heat, etc. Fourth, differentiate between biotic and abiotic resources. Biotic, flora and fauna, living thing and non-living things. biotic or abiotic resources. Biotic resources have life, and each such kind of resources can reproduce according to their present position, and it can regenerate after some time. But abiotic resources is other way we can say that physical resources, and other way can non-living thing and non-living thing. Abiotic resources is very important for us, like wind, temperature, solar energy, water, soil, forest, etc. Such kind of resources are very important for us, and it is interdependent to each other. Biotic and abiotic resources, after balancing, then ecosystem will be balanced. So biotic and abiotic are very important for environment and for us. 5. Explain why some country in the world have natural resources but they cannot utilize it. This is the hot question. And hot question is very easy question. You can reply according to your knowledge, and your answer will be correct if you give proper reply according to your thinking, that your answer will be good. You also know that most countries have natural resources, full of natural resources, but lack of technology and accessibility, that country cannot utilize such kind of resources. So many countries have resources like waterfalls are found in African continent. Most countries of Africa continent have waterfalls, but the utilization of waterfalls is very difficult, and we cannot reach that resource near the waterfalls easily, and we cannot reproduce, generate electricity, lack of technology, lack of money. So many countries have much resources, but that country are not able to utilize proper way such kind of resources. So resources are very important for us. In next class, I reply question number 4, long answer questions. If any problem, and when your school will be open, I check your answer questions. So I request to all the students, please notes, answer question, and remember also. Thank you.